Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cars that combine performance with luxury, and design with practicality, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a full tour of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Klasse. We'll look at the design, the futuristic interior, what's hiding under the hood, and of course, how much all of this beauty will cost you. So buckle up, because this review is going to be one smooth ride. Exterior. Let's start with the first thing that grabs your attention, the design. The 2026 C-Klasse continues the evolutionary look that Mercedes has refined over the years, but this time, it comes with bolder edges, a more sculpted body, and a refreshed front fascia. The iconic star logo now sits proudly in the middle of a more aggressive, AMG-inspired grille, flanked by slimmer, sharper LED headlights. And in this hot red finish, it's breathtaking. It doesn't just pop, it explodes in sunlight. From the side, the C-Klasse carries that classic rear-wheel drive proportion, long hood, short overhangs, and a flowing roofline that makes it look like it's in motion even when it's standing still. The chrome window surrounds and flush door handles add a touch of elegance, while the 19-inch AMG alloy wheels with a black accent finish give it just enough sportiness without trying too hard. Move to the back, and you'll notice the subtle lip spoiler integrated into the trunk, sleek wraparound LED tail lamps, and dual exhaust outlets that are more than just for show. Mercedes nailed the balance between luxury and athleticism here. The C-Klasse doesn't scream for attention, but it absolutely earns it. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by what might just be the best interior in its class. The 2026 C-Klasse inherits much of its design language from the larger S-Class, and it shows. This isn't just a cabin, it's a cockpit built for comfort and innovation. The centerpiece? A floating 11.9-inch vertical touchscreen seamlessly integrated into the center console, running the latest MBUX system. It's fast, fluid, and loaded with features: voice assistant, navigation with augmented reality, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and even fingerprint authentication for driver profiles. Just behind the steering wheel, you've got a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. What's great is how customizable it is. You can switch between classic, sport, and navigation views, and everything is high resolution and easy to read. The materials are top-notch. Soft-touch leather surfaces, real aluminum trims, and ambient lighting that wraps around the dashboard and doors like a sci-fi movie set. And yes, you can choose from 64 colors to match your vibe. Up front, the heated and ventilated seats offer 16-way power adjustments with memory settings. And in the rear? While it's still a compact executive sedan, the 2026 C-Klasse offers surprisingly generous legroom and headroom, especially with the panoramic sunroof letting in extra light. Storage space is well thought out. You've got deep cup holders, a wireless charging pad, USB-C ports all around, and a decent-sized trunk that can easily handle a couple of suitcases or a week's worth of groceries. Performance. But let's talk about what it's like to drive. The 2026 Mercedes C-Klasse doesn't just look good, it backs it up with power, precision, and poise. The base C300 model comes equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. That setup pushes out 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, giving you smooth acceleration and enough grunt to handle city streets or highway merges with ease. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 5.9 seconds, not mind-blowing, but very respectable for a luxury sedan in this segment. The 9-speed automatic transmission is buttery smooth, always in the right gear, and shifts without drama. But where the C-Klasse truly shines is in its ride quality. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on twisty backroads, it manages to be both composed and fun. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip in all conditions, and optional adaptive suspension gives you modes that range from comfort to sport plus, changing the car's personality with just a click. You've also got paddle shifters if you want to take control, and the dynamic drive modes really change the way this car feels. In comfort, it's a cloud. In sport, it sharpens up and becomes surprisingly nimble. And let's not forget about the sound. Even with a 4-cylinder, the tuning gives it a throaty enough growl to remind you that this isn't just a pretty face. Tech and safety. The tech in here is also next level. MBUX learns your habits, suggests routes, and even responds to natural speech like, "Hey Mercedes, I'm cold," to turn up the heat. You've got a head-up display, 360-degree camera with a crystal-clear top-down view, and driver assist systems that can essentially drive the car in stop-and-go traffic. The 2026 C-Class comes with standard safety features like lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go, and automatic emergency braking. It's like having a co-pilot who never blinks. Pricing. Now, let's talk about the price tag. The base C300 starts at around $47,000. But let's be real, once you start adding the hot red premium paint, AMG styling package, panoramic roof, upgraded audio, and driver assistance bundles, you're looking at closer to $58,000 to $60,000, depending on the options. Want the top-tier C300 4MATIC with all the bells and whistles? Expect to shell out just over $62,000. Is it worth it? Honestly, if you're looking for the perfect blend of luxury, tech, performance, and status, then yeah, it's hard to beat. And compared to rivals like the BMW 3 Series or Audi A4, the C-Class feels a bit more refined, more comfortable, and just that little bit more special. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is no longer just an entry-level luxury sedan. It feels like a miniature S-Class in many ways, stylish, smart, and smooth. This hot red version turns heads, the tech is cutting edge, and the driving experience strikes a beautiful balance between comfort and control. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that delivers on looks, performance, and daily drivability without going full-size or six-figure, this C-Class should absolutely be on your test drive list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more premium car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you go for this over the BMW or Audi? Let's talk. Until next time, drive safe, stay inspired, and keep chasing that perfect ride.